Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show. Microscope.
This is a
Microscope.
baby turtle. I think it's a snapping turtle. But that's about the size of a nickel. I mean, this is a tiny...
It's a very small turtle.
And it's, it is dead and it is dried. And you want to take a look at it?
Yeah.
Oh, all right, let's look at this turtle hand.
Wow, that's neat.
Here's the bottom of its shell.
I'm looking forward to seeing the head.
It's like really dead. It's like a mummy. It's like a mummy turtle. There's the tail. Wait. See that? That's the tail there.
See that? Right there is the tail right there.
There's the tail.
That's the tail right there. I told Hillary we were going to look at this turtle. And then I saw this. That's
Look
the
at
tail
that.
right
That's
there.
a little claw for
That's
you.
the
That's a
claw
little turtle
right there.
claw.
Let me see the head, though.
Let me see the head. Here comes the head. Whoa, the eyes. Well, the eye. It's dead, and it's like, of course, there's no eyes in there, but there's the eye socket. There's that little turtle mouth.
Oh, there's the turtle mouth. There's the turtle mouth right there.
You know what? I don't think it's a snapping turtle. I don't even think it's a snapping turtle.
You know what, though? Looking at this turtle make me hungry. No, I'm just kidding.
It's funny what you think is gonna be like.
Popman.
What do you think is gonna be good under the scope? And actually, this is not bad. This is cool. I mean, I like the hands are like. It just kind of looks like a turtle. If you look at a turtle, it just kind of
Right.
looks like a turtle, but more dead.
Well, you know what? That turtle's so small that it sort of looks like when you can see a turtle up close anyway. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay, check this out, Brent.
Hey, this is a bonus.
Hey, it's a golf ball.
Hey, golf ball. Any golfers out there? You ever want to see what a golf ball looks up close?
Now this is a yellow golf ball.
This is a supposedly yellow ball,
That's what they're saying.
and yet,
So look at those little dimples on there.
so the dimples look
Maybe
much.
this isn't that great. Maybe this is kind of cool though. Look at this footage. You could put this back. You could project this on the
at a
wall
dance party.
at the rave or something.
Yeah.
You just have this going. Actually, that would be cool visuals. Just like have the microscope
Yeah.
going on a live feed and just
What's interesting about
doing microscope.
What's interesting about this to me is
visuals.
that the dimples look much shallower
Ooh.
here than they do when you look at them with the naked, right?
They do look shallower here, yeah. This is the Pinnacle 3. Look at this. Pinnacle 3.
Yeah.
That's the ball we're looking at.
And the dimples, very shallow, very shallow dimples.
And look how small the golf ball is.
And
By the way, this is a brand new ball. It has never been golfed. You know what I mean?
yeah,
But there are,
little nicks.
and there
or
are little imperfections.
craters, little
and
tiny
these kind of
craters.
things, I bet the pro golfers are going down to the molecular level to look at the shape. And somehow the dimples make it fly in a special way or something.
It just goes to show you, the closer you look, the more imperfect it is. So nobody should be ashamed of their bodies, because we're all imperfect. If you look close,
Who do you think's like the most perfect looking?
Callista Flockhart.
Callista Flockhart.
Yes.
I bet if you went close like this,
Yeah. I mean, you'll be seeing some.
more
cra-
like Callista Blow a Fart. You know what I mean? Brent, I found this weird patch at a vintage store. It says slave, which is, but then it's got these feet. But it's like these happy colors, and it actually matches. It actually matches this.
Yeah.
Matches my hoodie, so it's like
That's very funny and weird.
I could put it here, but do I want to wear a patch that says slave on it? It's kind of hardcore. You know what I mean? It'd be kind of a bold look if I wore this.
It's very.
I might put it here.
Okay. Yeah.
But then it's like I'm committing to that look.
Well,
When I put it here,
Slave. It looks
It's
like
like-
it makes it look like that's the brand of this clothing, slave.
you know what? Maybe
I'm
this
just
is Swedish, and that means like Slave or something.
Oh, right,
You
right,
know,
right.
because that is like Swedish colors.
Right.
Slave is not a nice thing.
Well, I mean,
A slave is never.
it'd be nice if you were a slave. That's
Well, sometimes I'm a slave to the scope. I'm a slave to the scope. Okay, well here's the S. Here's the S. Whatever.
Anyway,
this is embroidery. We've seen this kind of
We've
thing.
seen it before. We've seen it all.
We've seen it all.
I've seen enough.
I've seen enough.
I've seen enough. Yeah, that's from
I've
Willow.
seen enough.
Oh, there goes
I've
some
seen
fibers
enough.
right there.
There's some fibers. Well,
Classic fibers. Okay, hey, well, look, you know what? I think just sharing that as a thing and saying that slave to the scope was, worth this being something here. So thank you for that. Thank you for sharing.
Two guys that are just curious about what's small.
See you next time.
You know what? Let's get small next time. We'll be getting small with you next time.
In the words of the great Steve Martin, let's get small. We'll see you next time.
So be sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to support us even deeper, you want to go closer, get bonus content, go to patreon.com/Microscope Show. Peace.
Bye-bye now.
Microscope, Microscope, Microscope Show.
Microscope.